Look at these numbers. 3 million likes and over 200,000 followers. All of this, just from posting animal haircuts. Yes, you heard that right. It looks complicated, but I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this viral niche in under 15 minutes. No paid software, no complicated prompts, just purely free AI tools. We're going to create a viral video just like this one, from scratch. Starting right now, let's build this. First, head over to ChatGPT. We're not writing complicated prompts today. Instead, click on Apps on the left menu. Then click on GPTs up here. In the search bar, type exactly this: Animal Haircut Generator. This is our secret weapon. Find it, hit Start Chat, and then simply click the Start the Generator button. It's ready to do the heavy lifting for us. Just tell it what animal you want. For this example, let's type lion and hit Enter. Boom! It instantly generates professional image and video prompts for us. Now we take these prompts and head over to Google Flow. Just click Create with Flow to bring our lion's haircut to life. Back in Flow, first select your dimensions. 9 to 16 is perfect for TikTok. Now copy the before template from our GPT, paste it here and hit Generate. Do the exact same for the after template. Within seconds, you have two perfectly consistent images, the messy lion and the fresh, dapper lion. Now for the magic. Switch to video and choose frames. This mode allows us to control the exact transformation from start to finish. Click Start and upload your before image. Then click End and upload the after version. This tells the AI exactly where to begin and where to end the haircut. Finally, go back to ChatGPT and grab that specific video prompt. Paste it into Flow to guide the AI on how to animate the hair falling and the clippers moving. Hit Generate. And there it is. A high-quality, viral-ready video of our lion getting a professional haircut.